I thought I'd show you around the awesome services and offer and what they actually offer, because they're one of my sponsors and I've been using them for a long time now and I think they're great. So let me show you what happens if you click on the link below, which is the sponsored link. Okay, so you can basically register a company for £1 and 2 months free accounting. That's okay, or you can get that registered for £1 with 2 months free accounting. This is from my link below. Or you can get £110 off any plan if you're moving over from another accountancy. Okay. Let me show you about them. Let me show you a bit about them. So you get the best value and service from Awesome. Save up to 8 hours worth of admin. Make your income and business tax efficient. So it's all automated reconciliation with top marketplaces. That's Amazon and eBay. Dedicated human accountant available daily. This is a great perk, by the way. So it means that you can always message them and then they will reply within 24 hours. It's usually just within a few hours they will message you back. That's quite something actually, to have an accountant available there for any questions that you might have. So it's optimized for Amazon, eBay, and Shopify, no matter what sort of selling you're doing. So they handle all the paperwork. As I say, just starting your business, close to hitting the VAT threshold, they're sort it out. Click on my link below, and as I say, you can sort it out. Or you can just get £110 off. Or if you don't need any of this and you just want an accountant, you can get 2 months free accounting from using my link. So it really is fantastic. So you've got multiple different services within Amazon. So you can upload all the receipts on the software here. You can chat to accountants on here as well. They sort out all the VAT for you, so you literally just send them receipts. So what we do is my admin VA just sends all of the receipts to Awesome, and then they sort out the rest. They will incorporate your company for you as well. You've also got an analytical data. There's Christos there, a friend of mine. I couldn't understand the Amazon fees, what I needed to provide. Awesome software solved it instantly, links directly to your Amazon account. So it links to your Amazon account. We can chat with the team, iron out the details. You can meet your accountant. And get the work started. So we're taking admin off your plate, and they really do that. So I just upload all of my statements to them, all of my VAT receipts, all of my receipts to them, and they literally sort out the rest. If I've got any questions, I can ping them a message, and they will reply within 24 hours. You can also see an analytical sort of status of your profit and loss from your different bank accounts that you attach from Xero, etc., all included in this package. As you can see, clients 11,000 plus worldwide. So I just wanted a brief overview just to show you what happens if you do click on the link below that I've managed to sort out for you with 2 months free accounting. Yeah, I hope it comes in handy for someone, and I'll see you in the next video.